Are you thinking about making a move to Greensboro, North Carolina, and are looking for a neighborhood that is in a gated community? If you are, then today you're going to want to check out this video. My name is Meredith Parsons. I'm a realtor. I live here and love it here. I want you to move here and love it here as much as I do. And if you do this, it'd be so awesome. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because each week I'm going to be taking a little tour, a little venture of all things Greensboro Triad area, and I wouldn't want you to miss out. Ready to go check out this amazing gated community? Let's go. We are here today in the neighborhood of Camden Falls. We are in Greensboro. We are in Guilford County in the zip code of 27410, and we are in the northwest section of Greensboro, not super far out, within side of the loop, as I call it. It's 840. This neighborhood is a gated community, and I sold a house in here to one of my dear friends, and they love it here. They've got small kiddos that they feel super safe sending them out, and they get to go ride around, and they've made friends here, and it's super great. But that's besides the point. This is a great community. It's a gated community. It's really quiet. It's not huge. It does have sidewalks on the circle. So there's a main circle that goes around, and then a court in the middle. So the court in the middle is a cul-de-sac, and there is no sidewalk there. But what I do love is that, if you can see behind me, in the middle of the neighborhood, there is an easement that's part of the HOA, that's part of it here, that is all trees. You cannot touch them. So there's always a buffer between you and your neighbors behind you, which is pretty great. There's beautiful landscaping, all of it. It's all pretty. All of it is so nice, so manicured, and of course, it's garbage day, because why would it not be? We never do a tour without it being garbage day. So I do like that it's also a close proximity to all the things, right? It's off of Battleground 220, and you're within inside the loop. So everything is super close by, and you know me, I like convenience. And I do love that this neighborhood has a wide style, not a wide style, but different style houses. There's some Cape Cods in here. There's some very traditional houses. The pointier houses, as my kids call it behind me. Let's talk house pricing. Okay, so the average house price here is $784,000, but they range in price from $726,000 to $870,000. The average size house here is $4,500, but it ranges from $3,000 to $9,700. If you're looking for that range, that's your sweet spot right here, is $4,500. The average price per square foot is $180. It ranges from $153 to $205. These acre lots that are here are 0.4. There's one that even went up to 1 acre, but they're on average around a ½ an acre lot. And these are 4 to 6 bedroom houses, 3 to 5 bath, and 2 to 4 car garages. So this neighborhood does have an HOA. Obviously, it's a gated community. It's $1,385 a year. I think that's right, because there's 2 that you're paying towards. So because this is a gated community, these are private roads. So if something were to happen, say we had snow, the whole town shuts down, there's no milk or eggs or butter or bread to be had, the HOA is going to pay for somebody to come out and manage these roads, because they are private roads. They're yours. They're not yours, but they're the HOA. There are no amenities here. There's not a swimming pool or anything like that. Grocery stores close by. Trader Joe's is about 3 minutes away. You could walk there if you want to do. That's super close. Harris Teeter, everything, like Sprouts, all the things. You have about 5 grocery stores within 5 to 10 minutes on top of Trader Joe's, right here from this neighborhood. In terms of restaurants, there's too many to even tell you. There's so many restaurants on Battleground and close by at all the shopping centers I told you about. In terms of green spaces, Military Park is about 4 minutes away. The Science Center is about 8 minutes away. And Lake Higgins, I'm gonna say, is 8. And Burr Mill's 9 minutes away as well. Super cute Cape Cod right there. And the schools you would be slotted for are Claxton Elementary, Coronado Middle, and Western Guilford High School. So I hope you have learned all that you want to learn about the neighborhood of Camden Falls. If you have any questions, you want to see another neighborhood, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you, and I'll see you next time. Bye.